How to speed up a video in CapCut. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the speed of a video using the CapCut app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first thing we need to do is open up CapCut on our iPhone or Android phone. Then I'm just going to create a new video, but you can open up a project that you're already working on. So once you have a project open, go ahead and select the video that you want to speed up in the timeline at the bottom. And then in the menu that appears, select speed. Once you select speed, you'll have several different options for normal, curved, or velocity effects. And curved is where it'll speed up, slow down, and speed up, things like that. So if you wanted to focus on different areas of the video, you could use curve. I'm going to speed up the whole video, so I'll select normal. Then you just need to select the speed. And keep in mind at the top right there, you'll see the original duration of the video and then the new duration based on the new speed. And then once I've selected a speed, if I press play, you can see that it is much faster than 23 seconds. So once I'm ready, select the little check mark. And then there you go. I have now sped up a video in CapCut. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.